The Topexplore Carplay Screen offers a next-generation wireless experience with its upgraded 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, ensuring a fast and stable connection for hands-free calls, music, and GPS navigation. Equipped with a 2.5K dash cam and a 1080p backup camera, this device provides crystal-clear front and rear views, enhancing safety and recording every moment of your drive. The CarPlay screen offers flexible audio outputs, allowing you to stream clear audio via Bluetooth, FM, aux, or its built-in speakers, adapting to most car models seamlessly. Real-time GPS navigation is made easy with smart route selection using popular apps like Google Maps, Waze, or Apple Maps, offering a stress-free driving experience. With the Mirror Link feature, you can mirror your phone's content to the screen, turning road trips into entertaining adventures with endless entertainment options. The upgraded suction cup mount ensures a strong grip with its 3-layer nano gel bottom, providing a secure hold that stays in place through every bump and turn.